In today's video, I will show you how to delete your Wayfair account. To begin, open your browser and navigate to wayfair.com. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to close. Once you are on the home page, move your cursor over the account button in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, click on My Account. On the next page, scroll down to the Account and Preferences section and click on Account Information. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom until you see the section titled Looking to Close Your Account. Click on the link that says Submit Account Closure Request. You will be presented with important information regarding the permanent deletion of your data and order history. After reading through it, check the box to confirm you want to proceed and click on Close My Account to finalize the request. And that's it. That's how you delete your Wayfair account. Thank you for watching.